Hey, what's going on, guys? Brendan here at DetailKing.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Mytee S300 Tempo Spotter carpet extractor. The S300 features a molded polyethylene body with a 1-gallon tank, equipped with 3-inch wheels and a single 25-foot power cord. The Mytee S300 uses an 8-foot vacuum and solution hose combo, and the quick disconnects make taking those hoses on and off a breeze. Its included 3-inch Mytee Airlight tool will show you all the dirt you're extracting in real time. This Tempo Spotter carpet extractor weighs in at only 20 pounds. Now, don't let this extractor's size fool you. The internals feature one of the most powerful vacuum motors in its class, a single 2-stage vacuum that produces 55 psi and 85 inches of water lift. It features a solenoid pump and can take in an impressive 37 gallons per minute. Now let's try it out. Alright guys, that's about it for this video. We hope you enjoyed it. For any more information on the S300 or any of our other carpet extractors, visit us right here at DetailKing.com. We have everything you need to keep your car clean like a Detail King. See you guys next time.